Stop the shake with these 3 free fixes. Ready to fix that wobbly furniture? Let's get started. First up, check all the screws and bolts. Tighten them up for instant stability. Slide washers between joints to tighten gaps instantly. Still shaking? No worries, we've got more tricks. Try adjusting the legs or adding support underneath for a quick fix. Use wooden shims or even cardboard for stubborn wobbles. A dab of wood glue can work wonders for loose joints. Make sure everything is aligned and secure for best results. For permanent fixes, glue weak joints and clamp tightly. Take your time. Precision makes all the difference. For wobble-proof designs, use Precision Blueprints. Link in bio for free woodworking guides. Happy building!